Wow, achido moi bishi lagi hoshi mila sadini moi ke koa to mila friends to itu apps download kori na amni kiman invest kora amni laba bossa bi double ahibo aro amni laga friends khan ke bishi forward kurle amni ki aro itu to extra money ahibo shi aro itu poisa pa pichide moi ki pawo Oisa boile moi bishi dango shopping mall de jaiga na kapra lobo aro moi laga desire moi laga dream house bonabo aro bishi bhalba jaga ke moi visit kuribo le moi ki paisa nai moi loan lobo eko noi loan loige hello sade Achina moi ke bishi arjun kam mulai so moi ke moi ke 50,000 errands kuribina you live moi within 3 days 4 days majore moi amni ke tapon manik terai dibo amni ke
3 days later
mila life moi biya kuri dise unnecessary apps lagina moi itu ki mila paisa bishi invest korise ki kuro ida do moi do pray and fasting hello lego isur ke moi pray by matab mangyo lego moi do
many months later
nachiro ki mila ga life te mila ga jivan de in kahi hoi takyo ki line de moi invest korili be eko moi laga life de itu loss hoy moi laga life te saile moi to meaningless life to meaningless yes moi kuda ke moi ke survi nai moi laga life te moi kiman bi pratna kore kiman bi moi try kore so moi laga jivan de tukhi duk ahe dage moi logate survi nai moi do इते तो मैं लगा लाइफ है मैं इते तो खत्म हो ले मोना से मैं तो
Don't end your life. I am there for you.
listen na
I'm the God, your creator who have created you. My dear daughter, many times you have questioned that I am not there, I am not hearing your prayer. But I am the God who always speak inside you. Whenever you're going to do wrong, I always give you voice. Daughter, do not do this. You will get harm in your life. But you didn't hear my voice.
do hossa se proviso moi amne ke pishi time moi ke dinai kurise itu no koribi holi bi amni laga kota na mani kina moi ishi wrong rasta de moi choose kurise itu do amni la galti moi laga life te moi pishi amni laga ake de moi pishi kaldi hoise moi ke forgive koribi
My dear daughter, I have always planned for your life. If you commit your life today on and hear my voice and walk according to my word, you are going to be blessed. There is no shortcut for the success. I want to tell you, you hear my voice and walk with the word of God and you will be get success.
Isu amni ki pishe amni moi laga tuk amni brati khelo moi ishi moi laga life te moi amni laga osore itia do moi laga life amni ke commit kuribo itia do moi laga relationship amni ke build kurina moi amni logote moi pura life moi amni ke dia se